Hello, how are swing trades taxed in a brokerage account? Well, if you are swing trading in a taxable brokerage account, you will pay tax on your profits. So if you purchase the stock and sold the stock in the same year, that is considered a short-term investment. So therefore, you pay tax on the profits at your own income tax rates. But if you purchase the stock and sold it in a year and a 1 day, after a year and 1 day is considered a long-term investment and is taxed as a long-term, is viewed as a long-term investment and is taxed as a long-term capital gain rate, which can vary based on your tax bracket. Sometimes it could even be close to zero, and a lot of time it could be less than your income tax bracket. So for instance, when we are looking at those transactions here, and we pick ROST that we purchased January 8, 2025, and we sold that February 6, 2026, then the profit we generate from that, because when you are filing your taxes, you will be entering those transactions one by one. So some of them could end up being a short-term capital gain, and some of them could be a long-term capital gain. So therefore, they will be taxed differently. And when it comes to and if you are swing trading in a Roth brokerage account, the profits, your money that you're investing there are after tax money, but the profit is tax free. So therefore, you do not, pay tax on those incomes, so you don't have to worry about it. But if you are doing it in a taxable brokerage account, you will pay tax, and therefore it's good to estimate your taxes and pay them on a quarterly basis. That's one way to do that. And it's okay to it is good to the simplest way that I found to do that is just you total your household income, you and your spouse. If you file joint tax return, you total your household income before tax income, and you compare that to the tax bracket, IRS tax bracket. You do that for the states as well, for your states, to determine where your income, what tax bracket your income fits within, and just use that to do your estimate, to calculate your estimated tax to pay on a quarterly basis based on the profit that you make in each quarter. So that is, how I approach swing trade taxes, when you are doing it in a taxable brokerage account. How do you do yours? So thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time, and thank you for all your comments. I'm Afiavi, and on our channel we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could allow you to create another stream of income. Just as small, and slowly you will get there. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just trade in my husband and I taxable brokerage account, and I like to, joint account, and I like to share what is working for us, what is not working with you, so that if you find some tips useful, you can use them in your own financial success journey. But please proceed with caution. For more videos in this series, please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Uptrend Lines in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store, Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.